This is why I do not like to use these cheap poly fittings. Plumber J here. I am going to do a repair on this 1-inch PVC male adapter that's coming in for the well system, and then get rid of this shark bite god awfulness for the well pump. So I got it all put back together. It was leaking from this poly male adapter, which is usually unusual because male adapters usually don't leak where females do due to pressure, but it's cracked. Got rid of this god awful shark bite, going right in the trash. I'm gonna 1 by 3/4 male adapter with a reducer, and then 3/4 the rest of the way, and just call it a day. I'm gonna crimp that up. I'm leaving the poly pipe fitting in the back because I don't have a 1-inch poly pipe brass with me, and unlike most of you, I live out in the sticks and things are really far. So we're gonna get them up and running for the holiday weekend, and yeah, here we go. All right. All right, we're at just over 20 psi. Well, the gauge is probably bad, but we'll get them up and running for now. Actually, I'm going to swap that gauge out. It should be at 0. If I was coming to service this, I would want a working gauge. Make sure this is open all the way. So they're like 15 bucks, so charged. So yeah, that should be reading 0, like this one over here. Just like that. Now we can read the right cut on and cut off pressure. So if this ever goes bad or it was improperly installed, I'll be able to service it with a different switch or go from there. So all copper, no shark, poopy stuff, and correct working gauge. So my trick is I leave this valve, this drain valve open, got my hose outside, and that way, so any type of debris that's in that well pump, so the well pump's going to come up here, come up over here, get your pressure, and then go over there. I want it to be all blown out for like 5 minutes, and then make sure it's purged out, so there's no air pockets in the line, no debris that gets in the aerators or anything like that. So turn this on, pretty simple. Watch it leak live on camera. Come out here to this disconnect, turn on, and you see it building up pressure, and that's it. Check for any leaks. You're gonna get a lot of condensating here. I'll come back another day and I'll insulate it up for them. So right now we're building up pressure slowly, getting it nice and purged out, and type of debris or air in the line. Get this diaphragm, because it's a diaphragm that went up. The push start goes down and then goes back up. So we're pushing it, it's like this, up to the pressure. So I'm going to shut it off and you'll see it start to climb. Here we go. Now we're going. There we go. It's probably a 30-40 switch, or a 30, yeah, 30-40, sorry, a 20-40 switch. They make 20-40, 60-40, 50-70, and then 60-80 residential. So that's your repair, guys. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, subscribe. I'm Plumber J. And peace. Happy July 4th, everybody.